Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
That's the first EAS on the
Source:
thing.
Doppler radar.
That's the first EAS on the
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rogersville, Anderson, and Whitehead. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
I thought that was going to be an SVR for somewhere in Lauderdale County.
At 1 p.m.,